In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Viggle AI. Okay, this is a wonderful AI that can help you to create memes and even animated videos from an image. Okay, so from mere image, you can create fantastic videos of memes that you can replicate or imitate some videos or some from templates you can generate your own. So in this tutorial we're going to show the basics of how to use it and then to create the video. So let's start from beginning by coming to anywhere within your browser, search for Google, and you can just go ahead and search for Viggle AI. Viggle AI, just like so. Hit on enter. You'll be brought in over here, an AI meme generator that makes creating memes faster and easier. So you can see it here. You can alternatively go to Viggle.ai and it will bring you over to this very platform. Now there are different ways in which you can see these are memes created from images that you can easily replicate to create yours. So let's start from the beginning by saying try on the web. If you want, you can go with the apps that you can have on your phone or on your system as well. All right, so once you're here, you will understand that this is where you bring in the video. Okay, so this is where you can upload a video and the main character is going to be imitated by a character. Now you're going to upload a character or a video or an image of a character that you want to mimic the video in this. Okay, so you can have the video on your own or you can use their template. Okay, so let's check here. And then we can see they have a lot of templates that you can use from, like here. If you hover over any of them, you'll be able to see what you can do. For example, this is Ronaldo, okay, playing football. He can upload an image that can imitate this particular movement of Ronaldo. All right, so you can see if you want to mimic Cristiano Ronaldo with this kind of move, this is Espresso Ronaldo, and this is not Cristiano, sorry. And you can see these ones as well. If you want to mimic them, you can just upload the video and you're going to mimic them exactly. So let's take in one of the templates or this celebration of Ronaldo. This particular celebration, you can as well mimic it if you are interested. So there are so many of them depending on your interest. For now, let's go with something simple, something like this. We can click and then we can confirm this. Now you can see this is Cristiano Ronaldo really trying to score a goal. Okay, so now we're going to import an image. You can see the input guide. The image that you're going to put, you have to upload a character image of any size. For better results, use a full body photo with a clean background. That is the requirement, and image size should not be more than 10 megabytes. You can upload directly by coming over here, and let's say I'm going to use any of these. Let's say we go with something like this and we just upload it. And you can see it's a simple guy just making a call. So I'm going to transfer him to be the one now playing this ball instead of Ronaldo and all of these movements. So you can just go ahead and click on create, and then it is going to create and generate that. So you're going to have like 2 minutes to wait for this. I've done similar one, and this is the guy who was dancing and it has generated this video for me directly. So you can see how fantastic this can be. It was a different guy, but then I changed it with a picture and it gave me this result. So let's see the result of what we have here and see whether it's truly going to replace Cristiano Ronaldo in that particular video or not. All right, so while we wait for this one, let me try another template. So we can come over back to this. You can see different kind of styles. You can see this is flight, this is meme of different types. They can be categorized and singing and dancing and so on. You can see NBA highlights, reels and so on, depending on what you are looking at. And for this, let's choose something very simple and let's select it to go with it. Let's go with something much simpler. All right, like this guy, I like this fire combo. So let's select it and let's confirm, and let's bring in an image to replicate that. Okay, so let's upload. Let's say we have this simple guy again. This guy is playing with his phone, so but we're going to use him as the Mortal Kombat guy. Now we can go ahead and say create, and we're going to give it some minutes to be able to generate both of them, and we're going to look at the results of what they've created at the end of it all. All right, and you can see right now video has been created. You can see the play. This is really fantastic. You can click on it to be able to see the complete video. This was Ronaldo before, and it's now been replaced with this guy that we've just uploaded the picture, and it replaces everything. You can see how wonderful the AI tool has done. This is really next level And this is completely fantastic, even though there are some little errors that you can see in terms of the background coloration here and there, but it kind of gets the entire thing. Take a look at what we've created from. We can take a look at it here. This is Ronaldo. Oh, this was something like Messi, but we can see the video that we have, and then you can see the image that you've inputted, and it created this video for us, which is really, really fantastic. So this is the first option, and you have the option to download it from here. With just a simple click, you can see we've downloaded the video and we have it here. We can always play to see what we have just created. The same thing goes with the second one. You can see it over here. So let's close on this. You can see the second one. We can click and be able to see what you've created. It was a Mortal Kombat, if you remember, of these two guys having a fight, and then we replaced one of them with this guy, the same guy with the phone, playing with the phone, and you can see the Mortal Kombat guy really dealing with him directly. So this was what we have earlier on. Let me just zoom out a little bit so that you can be able to see what we have earlier on. This was it. This was this guy playing the Mortal Kombat game, and we replaced them with this guy. Very interesting and nice. So please just go ahead and try this, and you can download this as well, and you can share also if you want to share. So just go ahead and explore and see how you can use this to your own advantage in your content creation. You can use this to generate B-rolls of different types, or just to surprise your friends on how you can look with AI doing something different, something unimaginable that you can ever do. You can have from the templates, or you can have yourself do that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.